Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix 8-ball pool not connecting to Facebook. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I closed my 8-ball pool app and instead I went into the app store because I have an iPhone. But if you have an Android phone, you're then just going to go into your Google Play Store instead. It's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide after that. So in here, we're just going to simply search for 8-ball pool and search for it, scroll down. And as you can see, I have this blue button in here now where it says open. But actually for me, when I was having the problem with not being able to connect to my Facebook, it said update. So you need to actually click on the update button in here to be able to potentially solve this issue. Because if there's like a new update on the app, then you will be able to see it in here. It will say, instead of open, if it would say like update. So just click on it, wait for the app to completely update to its latest version, and then go back and try once again. This fixed it for me, but if it still is not working for you, then it might be that the current Facebook account that you have right now, maybe it's either deleted. If you're trying to connect to a deleted account, it's not going to work. If it's deleted or deactivated, you can try to create a new Facebook account and try once again, and hopefully that will be able to fix this problem for you as well.